Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTDZ. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Before I get started, I first want to point out my private trading group. If you have not checked it out, please do. What it is, it's a group of traders from beginners up to advanced. It's an environment where we discuss trade ideas, bounce ideas off one another, and I send out my personal watch list and scans to the newsletter. And then we also have a live chat room where you can hang out with me and other traders during the day, stay on top of market movers, market bouncers, market breakouts, all that stuff in real time. It's been a great profitable environment so far, and when you consider that it costs less than 1 cup of coffee per week, I think it's a pretty good deal for your money. So check it out. Don't take my word for it though. If anything, click up there, read some of the testimonials, and get a true third-party perspective on what the group is all about. So here we are looking at TTDZ. If you follow my videos, you know I did this one a couple days ago, and you can see things hovered around here, and then today things got very interesting again. This line here was what I called the blue sky breakout, and that's why it's the color of the sky. Again, if you go back and watch other videos, you can see exactly where that came from. That was up here at 0029, so that level was broken, and then things just really went well for the bulls. You can see, in fact, looking at the last hour, nice volume increase, and the price reacted very accordingly, and the price closed right up there at the high of the day. So really was kind of firing on all cylinders, not too much to nitpick about. Now the first thing I'm going to do just to update the chart is I'm going to get rid of all these black lines. Yes, they still do pertain to the chart, but at the same time, I don't want to make anything too confusing. Whoops, didn't want to do that. We'll throw that one back up there. But nonetheless, wanted to get them just out of the way to kind of clean things up. So this level was, like I just discussed, a level of resistance going into today, but because the price has now not only closed above it, but really just blown right by it, it is now a level of support. That's just basic technical analysis. When a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. Another area of support, and this is what I'm going to call the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest, my answer would be, if going forward 0036 can continue to hold as support, then that would make this chart look extremely strong, but by no means is it required, because like I already have noted, you have this level of support below you here, and then the other level of support that you also now have going for you is right here. This was another level that was a resistance last time I did the video, but it has now been converted into a level of support, and that level sits at 0026. In terms of resistances, I really have nothing to say, because the only resistance today was actually the closing bell. It closed up at the high of the day, and that's just because time ran out on the day. So I'll check the daily chart real quick, see if we have anything, but I'm pretty sure the chart is just currently in just blue sky breakout territory. All right, well, if we go way back here to May of 2000, let's see, yeah, May of 2012, the next level of resistance would be up there at 0.0047. So, try to take it for what it's worth. As far as I'm concerned, the chart is totally in blue sky breakout territory. But if you want to consider 0047, that would technically be the next level of resistance up there. So take it however you will. Either way, congratulations to everybody. Again, check out my private trading group. I know people here have money, so I know you can afford something that's less than a cup of coffee per week. So check it out, and hopefully decide to join us, and hopefully I'll see you in the chat room. One more time, this was TTDZ. That's a tough one to say. Thanks for listening.